how to edit videos on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can edit videos on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to edit videos on Snapchat, it is actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Snapchat application here, and once you're on the Snap page, just tap on this option, go to camera roll, and then just select a video that maybe you want to make an edit to. So just go ahead and select a video from the list, right? And once you select, let's say, a video from the list and then you want to edit the video, it's very simple. One thing you can do is if you tap this edit option, you'll be taken to this page where you can choose a filter or do whatever else you prefer here. If you want to cut this video, you can tap this cut option and then just try to drag and drop whatever else you can. If you want to add a music, you can tap this music option to add a music if you'd like. And then if you want to go ahead and also basically add some of the features over here, you can go ahead and do that as well. So let me go ahead and show you. If you want to mute the video, you can do that. If you want to search for other lenses, you can do that. If you want to add a code to this, you can just go ahead and transcribe the audio if you'd like. You can also do a voice dub. You can add a link or whatever else you've added. You can also crop them or you can also loop them if you'd like. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically edit videos on Snapchat. Now if you want to send them, you can just tap the next option, but if you want to save them, you can tap the export option. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.